Hello, namaste. What's up, beautiful people? Let's go straight into the topic. And I'm going to talk about the differences between Annapurna Base Camp Trek and the Mardi Himal Trek. Both are popular trekking routes in the Annapurna region of Nepal, offering a unique experience and breathtaking views. Here are the top 10 differences between the two. Annapurna Base Camp Trek takes you to the heart of the Annapurna Massif, 10th highest mountain, providing panoramic views of Annapurna, Machapustre and the surrounding peaks. Mardi Himal Treks offer 360-degree view of Mardi Himal, Machapustre, Annapurna, Himcholi and the South Valley, but from a different perspective compared to the ABC Trek. Annapurna Base Camp Trek reaches a higher elevation with the base camp situated at altitude of 4,130 meters and a round trip of the trek around 60 km without Pun hillside. Even trek ends at low altitude, it is slightly tougher than the Mardi Himal Trek due to lots of stairs with up and downhill trek. Mardi Himal Trek overnight places is only 3,550 meters, but can hike to Mardi Himal Base Camp at around 4,500 meters, and round trip of the trek is about 40 km and slightly easier than the Annapurna Base Camp. Annapurna Base Camp treks from Pokhara to Pokhara takes around 5 to 6 days to complete without Pun Hill. Mardi Himal Trek from Pokhara to Pokhara, it also takes about 5 to 6 days to complete. Annapurna Base Camp Trek more popular and tends to have higher number of trekkers, especially during a peak season. Mardi Himal Trek, as the newly opened trekking, crowd on the trek is increasing day by day, as Mardi Trek also provides amazing view of the mountain and valleys. Annapurna Base Camp Trek involves variety of landscape including forest, terrace field and alpine meadows. Mardi Himal Trek offers diverse landscape from rhododendron forest to high altitude grassland, providing a unique trekking experience. Annapurna Base Camp Trek considered moderate in difficulty, suitable for the trekkers with a reasonable level of fitness. Mardi Himal Trek generally considered less strenuous than the ABC Trek, making it suitable for those looking for the slightly easier trek. Annapurna Base Camp Trek passes through the various Gurung and Maga villages, providing opportunities to experience the local culture and tradition. Mardi Himal Trek offers glimpses of traditional villages and local culture, but to a lesser extent compared to the ABC Trek. Annapurna Base Camp Trek well established and easy accessible with multiple trailheads leading to the base camp. Mardi Himal Trek accessible with a relatively shorter drive from Pokhara to the trailhead, and it involves less developed trail, but recently lots of work going on to make proper trekking trails. The best time to do Annapurna Base Camp Trek is spring, March to May, and autumn, September to December. Mardi Himal Trek also best time to do during spring and autumn, but it is feasible during the winter months as well. Annapurna Base Camp Trek offers breathtaking panoramic views of Annapurna First, Machapustre, Himcholi and other peaks. The Mardi Himal Trek provides stunning views of Mardi Himal, Machapustre and Annapurna range from different vantage points. So guys, both treks have their own charm, and the choice between them depends on your performance, trekking experience and the kind of experience you are seeking. Feel free to talk to us for more information and happy to organize the trek as you want on your date. See you in the Himalayas. Cheers.